a sensor problem on the GT4 ST185 Toyota CELICA. It seems that one of the sensors for checking how hot the coolant is in the system doesn't really register because it was completely off. When I mean off, it was like chopped in half, as you can see here. So it was barely hanging on as it was. So what I'm going to do today is try to extend this installation here with more cable. I actually have two options here. One is to extend the connector. I can't even get that little stump out. It's impossible, it's just too damn cramped in there. So what I'm gonna do instead of destroying this is just gonna put some weld on it. Some simple welding. And hopefully it will attach to the connector stump which is left. I'm just gonna ignore the one that's crammed inside. I'm just gonna go outside to use the original connector. And plan B is the crocodile. Normal sort of, you know, lab kit stuff you can buy in pretty much any store. But I have to put some isolation here as well and weld. So that's going to be option 2 in case this first one actually has more problems in the connector. Then I can just clamp this one on and put some tape around it to keep the current isolated, and hopefully that will get the car to keep running as soon as it hits those levels to check how the coolant is functioning in the car. So went a little overboard when using the soldering iron when I was welding, and well, there's a lot of soldering in here, as you can see, but it makes the cable nice and snug in there, really robust. So we can close this lid with a bit of force. There we go. So it's fairly isolated. I'm going to use maybe one of these socks to re-sleeve the whole thing. We'll see how it fits because I really want to overlap on the connector as well. I don't really like when it's exposed like this. So that's one option, and the cable is very long, as you can see. It doesn't have to be long at all. I'm probably gonna cut somewhere here if this version works and the sensor is actually registering to the ECU. So option 2, using a normal crocodile adapter. I soldered here when I was welding on the screw. First made a round shaped cable tie around with the cable, not with an actual cable tie, and screwed in the middle and put some soldering on it so it's nice and snug. Really simple adapter fitting, and the same there, it's pretty long, so we'll see if that even works. Option 3 is actually buying a kit like this, usually in most car stores or electronic shops. So what you get in this situation is this could probably fit with a bit of jamming. I can probably extend these fork connectors here to make it fit on the adapter setting on the car. And it's really easy. You just thread the cable inside here. So probably the rest of that cable that actually works on the car can be put in that hole, clamped together with a plier, and it should be fitting right on the adapter fitting in the car as well. And if I need to extend the cable, as we saw here with these ones, if I cut it in half, I can reattach it with a connector like this. It's just basically a tube with current metal inside, and reconnect them on both sides and make them work together. So hopefully something out of these three options will work for the sensor.